Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Dhyana Bhavsar with the latest Indian weather update. Peak summer-like heat grips North India. IMD forecasts scattered rains in hills. North India is witnessing unusually warm conditions for early March, with temperatures climbing to levels more typical of late spring. The India Meteorological Department has warned that maximum temperatures across large parts of northwest and adjoining central India will remain significantly above normal through the coming week, signaling as early spell of the summer-like heat. Maximum temperatures across many parts of northwest India are expected to stay 4 to 6 degrees Celsius above normal, while adjoining central India may record temperatures 3 to 5 degrees Celsius above normal on most days of the week, the IMD said in its weekly bulletin. Weather conditions in Delhi and National Capital Region are expected to remain largely clear over the next few days. The IMD forecast said that from March 6 to March 8, Delhi's maximum temperature is likely to range between 33 to 35 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature may hover between 15 to 18 degrees Celsius. Both day and night temperature will remain above the seasonal average. Winds are expected to remain light, shifting from westerly to northwesterly direction during the afternoon hours before claiming by evening, the IMD added. Over the past 24 hours, maximum temperature ranged between 37 to 40 degrees Celsius in parts of West Rajasthan, Gujarat, Vidarbha, Matharwada, Odisha, and interior Telangana, with Charasgudu in Odisha recording 39.6 degrees Celsius, the highest temperature over the plains. The department added the temperature departures were 4 to 8 degrees Celsius above normal across areas including Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, West Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh, reflecting the intensity of the early season warmth. Despite the rising heat in the plains, weather conditions in the Himalayan region may change soon. According to the IMD, a fresh western disturbance is expected to influence the western Himalayan region in the coming days. Under its impact, light rainfall or snowfall is likely in Jammu and Kashmir between March 6 and March 11, while Himachal Pradesh may receive precipitation from March 7 to March 11. Uttarakhand could witness isolated rain or snowfall between March 8 and March 11, the IMD said. Parts of eastern India could also see unsettled weather. The IMD forecast suggests thunderstorms accompanied by lightning and gusty winds of 30 to 40 kmph in sub-Himalayan, West Bengal and Sikkim between March 8 and March 11. Rainfall is also likely in Odisha on March 8 and 9, Jharkhand on March 9 and Bihar around March 11 as per IMD. That's all for now. If you found this weather update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you always stay informed. See you in the next forecast. Thank you.